So hey guys, this is my very first day vlog and I don't know how to start it and how to end it, but yeah, this is my first video without script on this channel. So I don't know what I'm telling and what I'm talking all about, but yeah, I have noted some important points and I will just discuss about them. And this is a brief introduction to my game, and which will be in the Play Store, I think, in within 7 days. So if you are using Android and if you are Android user, then please support me and click on the link in the, given in the description below and play this game. So now let's get into our Unity. So yeah guys, this is my very first day vlog, and yeah, I will just tell you everything in on the surface, and sooner or later I will explain each and everything if you want, and if you are interested I will just make tutorial about some specific features of my game. And so for that we have to just uh, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. And one more thing, that from now I will just try to be a regular on YouTube, and some try to post some tutorials about some thing which are unique in this game. So I'll just try to share these experiences and these things with you. So just, if you want, subscribe to our channel and support us, and leave a comment about what I should have to just add on this game. So for that, sometimes I also use some other layout called this my choice 2, since it has animation and timeline. So if you don't know about timeline, then you can search it, or either on Google or on YouTube. So just it's some type of cutout scene which comes before gameplay, something like that. So you can just check that. And so let us go back to Android. So this is my main layout over here, and so uh, I just have all these things which I use most of the time. So as you can see over here, and yeah, I have arranged these all in this way. Yeah, everything is fine, but since I haven't worked on this project for I think 40 to 50 days, so I don't know how this all goes. So I have also installed a simulator over here, and simulator. And for that we have to just select any of these mobile phones whichever we want. But for that we have to just to work it properly and resize the screen. It does it on automation, but there's one problem, that we have to just play the game for once. Then I have I think one script which does everything, resizing on this all mechanism, which does it automatically, and then everything is fine. But since I'm making this game for Android, so I will just forget about these all iPad, iPhone, whatever they are. So I have just one mobile phone, that's Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. So I have tried and made this game with reference of my phones, because since I'm using that phone, so of course I will use this. But yeah, it works properly without any error on other mobiles as well. So yeah, there's nothing. So I will show you that script, how which just resizes the screen. So if you want, just comment me below, and I will just try to publish tutorial about that. That's not a big deal. So yeah, I have just told you that. So let's play a game for once. So I just want to tell you that all these season, and so there's comes on, I mean, some picture of season. And so yeah, over here this yellow rectangle. So I'll just change it by some images. And yeah, when you play this game, and it starts from basic, and there are some coins, so which we have to collect. There are other, some are black I think, and some are white, and they are all differs. And the main thing is, there are many levels, and I just want to do these all in automation, because I don't want to waste my time, since I have to create same thing twice, one in this home, and another one is level list. So I have to just create same thing, and I just don't want to waste my time. So I have also created I mean, what's that called? I think that's called custom editor window. So for that we have to go to window, and then here auto level creator. So I have created some script for that. I will also teach you. If you want to know a tutorial about that, then let me know in the comment box below. So it's a bit complex, and I think it nearly took 3 to 4 days just to learn how this custom editor works, because this was very new for me, and I don't know how this all works, because since I haven't used this for 50 days or 60 days. But yeah, I will try to learn it, and for that we have to just reference some of game objects, so let me do it quickly. Okay, fine. I have just referenced this game object, and now it is showing some type of errors. That's a null reference error. So for that, since this custom editor window script always runs even without playing this game, so we have to. I think I have to just click on this reset prefab, and after that label field button, then I have to clear these all errors, and now everything is fine. There is nothing error. So let us check, and so I have to then just do one thing. Give how many how many season do we want in the game. So let us type 8, and then click on level field button, and we have to just assign number of levels for each season. So we have 55 in our first season, and I don't have any other season, so let me fill it randomly whatever I want. I think there is some error in I have used this call that's called horizontal layout and group layout, so it just takes some time, and I have to just click on the screen wherever I want, and then everything will be fine. So when I play this game, then it should just remove all these labels of season, and just took labels, so just labels of only one season that I have selected, and every other should not be seen over here. So it should just show 55, and yeah, it works. For that, I have to just select another season, and it will just show the labels of another season. Then it all works in that way. So since and one more thing, that I have to just complete season 1 by all respectively, and then season 2 opens, and I have to just chronologically complete all the levels, and new level comes, and when I just complete the 55th level of this season 1, then second season will be unlocked, and I have to just complete all the levels. In that way, yeah, this all works, and yeah, everything is fine. But later I will just try to just add that you can unlock any other season before this order by just paying some more coins. So yeah, that will be in our game, but for now I just reset this. And one more thing, guys, so if I just so I have created just this is my main, so let me show you that. So I have just this is my main, but let us know that by some order I just clicked 54, but I don't know what was my just previous number of seasons, so I have to just do one reset, then it automatically resets. Similarly, if I just do 45, but since we have 55 level and I have burnt it, click on done, then I can just reset it, and so it should just be on 55, but I don't know why it didn't work, but it should show that 55 over here. So but I don't know it didn't work, why it didn't work, but it should show that just if I have clicked 5 over here, and I haven't clicked level field it. So if I click on reset, then it automatically gives 1 over here. So same thing must go over here, but I don't know, there's some bug later, and that error at first time I'll fix that as well. But since I'm not using this editor script as mode, because I have to just create that single time, so I just didn't work, and it had already wasted my 3 to 4 days, so I just quit working on that, because that was very new for me. And here everything works like over here. And one more thing, that I have only one season over here, so let me show you that. So we are assets and scenes, so I have only one scene, that's the main scene. I mean, I have some other scenes over here, but they are just duplicate of one another, and some are to create level that will not be on game, but in gameplay there will be just one scene, that's the name is main scene. So yeah, only one scene is on the main game, because this creator scene is just used to create the levels, and they are also so let me show you what the levels are. So it's in a resources folder, and then levels. So these are just files, custom files. So I will also teach you how can you create these custom binary files, and how can you load using script. So for that, they are not automatically just what they say, they are not automatically taken while just building the game. So they are not automatically done if you create any custom folder over here, but it should be on the resources folder. For that, all things over here are automatically created on the build, but rest of other things are not created. So I have to just take care about that. And yeah, animation goes over here. I have just only one animation. I'll work on that. And so let me show you how this my game works, and that will be the final thing for today. And I will just tell you many other things. And so I have to tell you one more thing. So let's first play the game, and I will tell you what that is. So it's taking some time to load. So there are two cameras. So this first one does nothing, literally does nothing. The main thing goes with this game camera. So I just here's one thing that something is going on other something is going on other place, and it is being shown by a camera named that game camera. And yeah, then you can just see that. So it's so our main camera is not over here, main things is over here. So this is our main camera, and yeah, this is our what you can say canvas, but our game is going somewhere else. So for that, let me just quickly show you that. So yeah, it's going over here, and all objects and all game is just set it over here. So for that, I have to just select the label, and then I switch from main camera to this game camera, and everything is shown on a image on the canvas. So I will later show on that, but let me tell you how this all game mechanism work. I will explain this in some other video, but yeah, when you click on the screen, then some object is created. Here you can see that, and it just do this everything. And yeah, we have these challenges, and we have to collect all these coins, which are some are yellow, and some, I think, some are black, some are white, and some other stuff. And yeah, we have to collect them, and then level is finished. So yeah, you can see this main thing is over here, but when you play this, then it goes to this script which I have already shown to you. And then check the name and over here, and then you just do some process that confirms and verifies that it's official and not cheated, its name is not renamed, its original file. Then it loads the game and loads the object and the games. Because it you might think that if I just rename the file by just going to its 100 or some folder, and if I rename that first one as 55th level, then I may play the game level 55th. But that's not the truth. I have created something to work on, and I will also work on future about that. And one more thing, guys, you don't have to do anything because I will let you create your own level in upcoming and in my final game. So yeah, uh, since I have to work on many other things as well, and I will publish the game within this 7 days. But yeah, everything something will be missing, such as this shopping feature will be missing over there. And yeah, and this power feature, there is just only one player over here. But sooner or later I will just add some other players. If you just like this game and supported me, then I will add some other players with some feature and specific levels as well, other seasons, and yeah, just like that one. And yeah, here here's completely written that other option with power are coming soon. So this will be showing in my main game as well, but soon I will just change that. And you might wonder who this guy is. So this is my one of the friend that I click the picture of him, and I just draw him. And yeah, here are his picture, because I have just only one thing over there. But since I have drawn only one picture, because I'm doing everything from scratch to these all by just only one man. So I have to take some time and I have to take your interest. If you all are interested and supported me, and I will just add some other more feature, multiplayer feature and some other features as well. So for that, just support me. And if there's a link in the description below to play to download this game, then please download that game and play that game, and let me know your suggestion, feedback, whatever you want. So I'm Kas, and see you soon in next video.